How to tag people on Instagram post. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now click on the plus icon given at the bottom middle. With that, your gallery will open up. Click on the option of post. Then go ahead and select the post that you want to upload. Click on next. Now from here, you are able to edit your post. You can add text, stickers, likewise music, effects, and then click on next. Once you're on this page, from here you can add a caption. Likewise, you'll also get this option to tag people. Click on that. Click on this plus icon. Now search for the user that you want to tag to this post. After the username appears, click on that. Now click on done. I have tagged this person. By following the same steps, you are able to tag other people as well. Now I can customize these settings and click on share. So this way you can easily tag people on Instagram post. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.